Om Sri Mahaganathipataye Namaha. My dear friends and my dear students, today I am going to explain you finding the common solution for the given of pair of linear equation in two variable using Vedic Sutra Vurdhadriya. And the meaning of this sutra is multiplication by vertical and crosswise. See here, consider an example, a pair of equations in two variable. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, 4x plus 5y is equal to 14. Yeah. First step, what we have to do is, we have to write both the equations in the general form. Like this. ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 like that. Then, write the coefficients. X coefficients like this. Y coefficients including symbols and constants, again x coefficients. So first write x coefficients, y coefficients, constants, again x coefficients. Then write the equations like this: x is equal to, y is equal to, 1 is equal to. First, do this cross multiply. Do this cross multiply. 10 minus 12 minus 2 right here. 10, 2 5s are 10, minus 4 3s are 12. 10 minus 12 minus 2. Next, this cross. Minus 42 minus this cross. Minus 40. So, and here minus 32 minus 28. So, when we simplify this, x by what we will get? Minus 42 plus 48 is minus 2. And y, denominator of y what we will get? Minus 32 plus 28 is minus 4. And 1 by minus 2. So now how to find out x and how to find out y from this? X is equal to minus 2 by minus 2. Minus 2 by minus 2, it is 1. And y is equal to minus 4 by minus 2, it is 2. Y is equal to minus 4 by minus 2, it is 2. So the common solution is 1 comma 2. Now, once again, write the equations in the general form. Write the coefficients like this: x coefficients, y coefficients, constants, again x coefficients. Then do cross multiply. 10 minus 12 is minus 2 right here, starting here. 10 minus 12 minus 2. Then minus 42 minus 40. Minus 42 minus 40. Then minus 32 minus 28. So here, when we simplify this, x is equal to minus 42 plus 40, which is minus 2. When we simplify this one, y by minus 32 plus 28, which is minus 4, and 1 by minus 2 as it is. Now to find out the value of x, we need to divide these two. X is equal to minus 2 by minus 2, that is 1. Y is equal to minus 4 by minus 2, that is 2. So the common solution is 1 comma 2. Consider another example. See, 6x plus 7y is equal to 8. 19x plus 14y is equal to 16. Yeah. Consider this example. You can solve this problem also like Vurdhadriya, but there is an interesting thing over here in this problem, that here ratio of y coefficients equal to ratio of constants. that is B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 if you observe clearly here. That means the ratios are equal. So we can apply the Anurupiyana Sutra. Means since B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2, we can apply Anurupiyana Sutra. In that Sutra, since these two ratios are equal, B1 by B2, 7 by 14, 1 by 2, 8 by 16, 1 by 2. Since these two ratios are equal, immediately you can write the value of x is 0. The value of x is 0. Since these two ratios are equal, the value of x is 0. So x is 0. Now how to find out y? Since x is 0, the first equation becomes 7y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 8 by 7. So the common solution is 0, 8 by 7. The common solution is 0, 8 by 7. Once again I am repeating. Consider this in this pair of equation, the ratio of B1 by B2 and the ratio of C1 by C2 both are equal. So immediately you can put according to Anurupiyana Sutra, immediately you can put x is 0. So means in common solution, x coordinate becomes 0. How to find out y coordinate then? Since x coordinate is 0 here, 6 into 0, 0, then 7y is equal to 8, then y is equal to 8 by 7. So 0, 8 by 7 is the common solution. What happens when A1 by A2 is equal to C1 by C2? What happens when A1 by A2 is equal to C1 by C2? Let us consider an example. 12x plus 78y is equal to 12. 16x plus 16y y is equal to 16. See this here, A1 by A2 is 12 by 16 and C1 by C2 is also 12 by 16. That means ratio of coefficients of x is equal to ratio of constants. So we can apply Anurupiyana Sutra here also. Since these two ratios are equal, we can immediately put y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. Since coefficients of x coordinate ratio and constant ratio are equal, y coordinate is 0. Then how to find out x coordinate? Since y coordinate is 0, if you put y 0 over here, in the first equation, we will remind it 12x is equal to 12, x is equal to 1. 12x is equal to 12, x is equal to 1. So the common solution is 1, 0. So once again, my dear friends, here the ratio of x coefficients equal to the ratio of constants. Then immediately y coordinate will be 0. Y coordinate will be 0. Then x coordinate is 1 from equation 1, or you can take equation 2 also, we will get x is 1. So common solution is 1, 0. So my dear students, you can solve the problems of pair of linear equation in two variable in this easily if these situations are arised or come across to you. Okay, very easily. Dhanyavad.